Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Cash App to buy Bitcoin in the USA. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download Cash App and buy Bitcoin in the USA, follow these simple steps. Open the App Store on your iOS device or Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Cash App and press enter. Locate the app icon that features a green background with a white $sign. Tap on the Install or Get button to start downloading the app. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, open the Cash App by tapping on the app icon. You will be prompted to enter your phone number or email address to create an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to receive a confirmation code. Enter the confirmation code when prompted to verify your identity. Next, you will set up your profile by providing your name and linking your bank account if desired. After your account is set up, navigate to the Bitcoin tab on the home screen. Tap on Buy Bitcoin to enter the amount you wish to purchase. Review your order and select Confirm to complete the transaction. Ensure your account is funded to proceed with the purchase. Once the transaction is successful, your Bitcoin will be added to your Cash App balance. That's it. You are now ready to buy Bitcoin using Cash App in the USA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step